Let's talk about the skincare products I would get at the Sephora sale if I didn't already have them. How stinking cute do all of these look in here? You're joking. First up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pore Tight Toner. I am obsessed with this. You can see I've used half of this bottle and I've gone through so many of these. It is just my number one favorite. Again, this one is on its last legs. This is the Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer. I absolutely love this for daytime or before makeup. It's a gel texture and it's just very lightweight while still providing lots of hydration, so I absolutely love her. Next, I have the Glow Recipe Hue Drops. This one is Rosy Glow and this one is Sun Glow. They are both amazing. I've been liking the Rosy Glow more recently, but I really like the Sun Glow one for summer. These I'm adding in both my skincare and my makeup favorites because I feel like they kind of do double duty, but these are the Glow Recipe Dewy Flushes, like a liquid blush and a cheek serum in one. And if I had to pick a favorite between the two, it would be the berry shade, but both of them are just absolutely gorgeous. And I have a dedicated video on these if you scroll back just a little bit on my page. And the last Glow Recipe product is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I love this so much. For SPF, I've been loving the Kosas Dream Beam. This one is SPF 40 and it has a really nice bronzy tint to it, which is great for summer, but also just for year-round underneath your makeup. My favorite facial spray has been the Tower 28 SOS. I've been loving this for a couple years now, honestly, and it's just perfect for daytime, morning, nighttime, anytime, after the gym. And it's like a antibacterial face mist. So it really helps if you have any issues with acne, or if you want to spray this on after you do a workout or something. A while ago, I actually bought like the big refill bottle. So I've just been refilling this bottle and it's amazing. I did a video on these recently. These are the Innisfree Daily Retinol Toner Pads. I just absolutely love these. They make my skin feel so smooth, so glowy, and these have been just a really great step in my nighttime skincare routine. The pack comes with 60 pads and you don't necessarily have to use the entire pad either. You can cut them in half if you want to preserve them and make them last a little bit longer. And lastly, I have two products from Summer Fridays. This one is the Jet Lag Deep Hydration Serum. I've been really liking using this serum at night. It just feels so good and hydrating. And then this one is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Eye Serum. It's just like a really nice gel eye cream, and I really like this. It's just very lightweight, very comfortable, doesn't irritate my eye area at all. And an honorable mention, this is the Glow Recipe Dewy Babies little mini set. If you wanted to try out some of the other Glow Recipe products that I recommended, but you don't necessarily want to commit to a full size, this one actually has a lot of the products that I just recommended. It has the Plum Plump Serum. This is the mini size of the Dewy Flush. It has the Pink Juice Moisturizer, as well as the Sun Glow shade of the Hue Drops. And then it also comes with the Watermelon Face Mist. So if you're looking to just try out Glow Recipe and you're not sure if you want to commit to the full sizes, or if you're looking for a gift to give to someone or something, this is just a really great set to start out with. That wraps up all of my skincare favorites from Sephora. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and if so, what you think of them. See you next time. Bye.